afternoon, my subscribers. I hope you all are having a wonderful evening, afternoon, or night, wherever you are, okay? Yeah, man, just a pass through for blessing home, you know what I mean? Yes, today we are having a rainy afternoon here in Ocho Rios. It's raining. Yeah. The weather is on. I hope you all are doing well. Having a stick Tuesday afternoon. You know what I mean? Just here to remind you guys to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I mean? So please, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I mean? And if you haven't subscribed us yet, jump on board, it's not too late. Alright? Like up the videos, watch the videos and stuff. You can comment if you need, if you see the need to comment. You know what I mean? Over there, it's a rainy day today, you know what I mean? Raining. Yeah, man. Having a wet Tuesday afternoon here in Ochi. That is how it is looking on the outside, as you can see. Still overcast and still pouring down, as you can see. Wet afternoon we're having here in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It was really hot, so trust me, a lot of persons right now are happy because the heat was on earlier. Yeah, man. So after all that, my lovely peeps, I went home and I was blessed with this lovely package here from someone special. You know what I mean? And I got to share it with you guys. You see me? Yeah, man. So we're gonna take a look and see what I go on. Alright? I already know what is in it, but you know what I mean? For the sake of you guys, they are digging it again. Alright, so yeah, so we are gonna pull it off. Trust me, people. The colonia, it's shot, it's strong. Anywhere you put on this and walk go, trust me, you stand out. People, the colonia, it bad and it lasts very long. You see me? Next time when I get a cologne, man, put it in our collection. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Believe.